Today we're going to build a frame to set the cab on. There goes my lawnmower. Get to mowing, lawnmower. Keep mowing. So I went to the store and got some lumber. You're going to have to work with me here because I think different. So I'm going to set something up, see how it works. If it works, it works, right? If it doesn't, we'll make it work. That's what we do. We're going to take the cab off, get the rest of the frame stripped. And I got some ideas with this frame for working on the cab. Let's see if this works. So work with me here. Here's what I'm thinking. I'm going to put a 2x6 from here out to here. Bam. They're about... Shit, I didn't even write it down. Damn it. Gotta measure all over again. Hold on. About 60. Let me write that down before I forget. And then we'll come up here, place down, across, and down, and across. And we'll put wheels on the bottom. That way we can roll it around, but when I want to work on the bottom, I can flip it up and put it on the brace. So, we'll see what happens. Let me cut some wood. So I didn't want to scare you too much, but I got the base frame down where I want it. So I got 2x6s underneath. And they meet up in the front. So they're bolted to the mounting points. God damn it, that's the second time I hit my head. There, there, and then in the back. So now what I'm going to do is, it's not bleeding. I'll come across underneath with 2x4 under here. Screw that in, and then I'll put the wheels on and then lower it down. I should be able to move it. So stand by. Okay, note to self, screw the wheels on before you screw the board on so you don't have to screw the wheels on upside down. So I'm going to do that on the other side. Stand by. Okay, so it's done. In theory, it should roll. I know it's not going to work quite the way you expect because of these goddamn rocks. But we'll give it a try. So to speak. With all that welding and stuff yesterday, set my fucking mats on fire. You should have seen my kids here flipping out. I wanted to call the goddamn fire department. You don't need no help from no second responders, right? What's the quickest way out of here? Okay. Oh, look at that. Up the hill it goes. Okay, so that wasn't half bad at all. Well, the building was half bad. I'm not a carpenter. Well, obviously I am a carpenter. So next, this little gap probably to be trimmed up. This piece gonna go down, across, and down again. And then that way, I think I'll be able to flip it on its nose. And then I can work on the bottom and, you know, all sorts of other stuff. But that's for later. I'm gonna take a break. It's like 108 and I'm kind of tired. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching. If you want to see what's going on, hit the subscribe button right there.